Alright, welcome back, guys. So what we're gonna do today is we're actually gonna take our cell phones, right? This is mine, this is my little cell phone wallet thingy, I don't know, it's freaking weird. Show you it still works, you know what I mean? Both of our cell phones still turn on, look. Same thing, you know what I mean? We're gonna take them and we're gonna drop them from a really high place and see if they survive. This is probably not the smartest idea because it could cost us a cell phone and
yeah. Probably have to go buy new cell phones after this, depending if our ideas don't work.
Hopefully they work. So what we did, guys, we went to Dollar Tree, right? And we bought 3 items each.
Yep. What did you get?
It was only $3. I got some non-stick scrubbers, a container, sandwich container, and then some fragile shipping labels.
Yeah, I didn't think about getting tape. Got a food tent. We'll pop that open in a second. Got some construction wrap, but bubble wrap. I'm pretty sure everybody knows what this is. You know, make a little. Oh yeah, there's a little sound. And some marshmallows to, you know, hopefully go around my phone and protect it from the fall. See if food can protect your phone, you know.
We'll go ahead and give you all a first-hand look at this. What I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna take my phone out of the phone case. Bam. And I'm gonna put the phone case to the side, so we're gonna do it without a phone case. Hopefully it doesn't break, because that would suck. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and open up my little scrub buddies. Oh yeah, look at these things. These things are tough. Hopefully this works, I think. Make a sandwich. Exactly. And then I'm gonna wrap the sandwich with the fragile tape, well, fragile shipping labels, which is my tape. Look, handle with care, guys. Handle with care. All right, so I'm gonna take the little sandwich first. Pack this side. And this side together real quick. There's also a tutorial on how to keep your phone from breaking if you want to drop it somewhere. Don't drop your phone. I might have to put 3 fragile labels on here because I really want this to stick together.
Oh, yeah, it's coming apart.
I know it. It's pretty bad already, guys. It's looking like it's just kind of going downhill right here. All right, like literally downhill. Well, not hill. Down drop. Just kind of like
back the sides.
Press it down. I'm gonna do it screen side up, I think, right?
Screen side up?
Probably smarter if I do that. Up together, just like this. Man, these were only $1 each. Like, this was a $1 sandwich container. I'm not sure if it's even gonna hold. So, I'm gonna take the rest of my fragile stickers and try to hold it together. These stickers kind of suck too. Here's the finished product right here. It's fragile. Handle with care.
What if we get a text?
Get a phone call or something.
Right. My purple phone. This works. It's a food tent. Thinking about using it as like a. Does it even work? Is it broken? I think it's broken. You use it as like an umbrella or something. It could work. Hey. Okay, we got it. Try to move this string on the other side so I can tie the contraption. This is gonna be our tape right here, so I gotta save this. What we're gonna do is, I'm gonna put another one on top. I'm just gonna get some of these on the side, stack them up, you know, make it solid. Can't see the number, but look, I'm already getting a phone call. I haven't put Do Not Disturb on. Probably make it as tight as we can without messing up the marshmallows. And then, watch out. We're gonna tuck these sides in, right, make a little burrito. Get the other side now. You like bam, bam, bam. So we can close up the sides like this. Perfect. And then turn once more. And then I'm gonna stuff it up in here, so hopefully it holds it closed. marshmallows were harmed in the making of this film. Alrighty, look, see now the string's on the inside. I'm gonna tie that bag to the string. So after like 10 or 30 minutes figuring this out, I finally got it. Bam, like this. Boop. This doesn't save it from falling, then hopefully the bag on the inside is protected by actual bugs right now. Look at this. It's a food tent. Viruses. Nothing to it but to do it. So what? See you at the spot.
Alrighty guys, I got my fragile box.
Got my parachute.
This marshmallow parachute case, whatever you want to call that. And yeah, we're on the way to the spot now to go ahead and drop these off. Hopefully my phone don't break.
Waste of time trying to go get a new one, so let's hope it's safe.
If you enjoy the video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like right now. Also subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Do you think my phone's gonna break? Leave in the comments right now if you think my phone's gonna break, or if you think his phone's gonna break, or if you think they're gonna survive. Alright, so we're gonna play rock, paper, scissors, see who drops their phone first. Ready?
Rock,
Paper, scissors, shoot. I guess I dropped my phone first.
Look at that wall. How tall do you think that is?
Over
100
tall.
feet.
Very tall. So y'all can see the difference. Like, look up. Don't keep walking. That's like a million of me. Righty, guys. Climbing up these stairs now. It's a big stair set. Got my phone in here. Probably can't see it in there. I'm gonna go ahead and drop it. Gilbert way down there.
Oh my, look at him, he's tiny up there.
Camera's down there. All right, guys.
Yep.
Hopefully my phone survives. 3, 2, 1. Oh, all right, I'm coming down. Oh God, yo guys, I don't know if that's a win or if that's a loss, but I gotta go check out the damages now.
Go check the damage. And box is still kind of closed. All right. Got some cuts up right there, probably from where it hit the wall.
I know, when it flipped upside down, I was like, oh Lord. Oh Lord. I don't know where this little pencil came from, but right next to my thing. Package seems to be fine. No breaks in the package.
Just a little.
That's a giant.
Just some scrapes from where it hit the wall, right there.
See, here you go.
About it.
Pop her open.
How's the cushions looking?
Just get a nice little.
It's like opening a present on Christmas, guys.
It's fragile, guys, remember? Let's see.
Oh.
No way. It works, guys, look. My phone.
Turns on.
Still works. Everything's fine. Wow,
Hey.
no cracks, no nothing.
Woo!
I just survived like a 100-foot fall with $3. So, hey, who needs a phone case when you can just make a $3 thing and
Your phone will be fine.
yeah, but then you gotta like, that's pretty inconvenient, isn't it? Yeah, it don't matter, it's only $3. Back in the case, and look.
Hi, Charm. I'm a little scared for my phone. Really high up, and I need a pee. So.
You think it's gonna be safe though, only $3? No?
3, 2, 1. Nope, it turned. Oh! Nope. Oh!
Oh, I don't know about that.
That hit the wall, smacked, destroyed the canopy umbrella thing that I had on top of it. Parachute, it destroyed the parachute on the way down after it hit the wall. and it sounded like a really hard thud. So I have a feeling my phone might be destroyed.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go look at that. That might have broke. That just destroyed his little parachute, as y'all saw. It's looking a little solid still. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna let him do the damage control on this.
So, as you can see, my parachute completely got destroyed on impact with the wall. But, I mean, it still hold on. Everything's bent. I don't know if this is still good. It was a cool idea. Oh, look! Let's do it again. See if my phone still works. Let's take it out of the marshmallows. Before I open it, let me know if you guys think marshmallows was a good idea. Let's find out. I mean, oh, that's so gross. Look.
Oh, man.
The marshmallows just smushed to my phone.
Pull it out. Pull it out. Hold on. Hey, wait.
It's covered. It's covered in
Hold
marshmallows.
on. Does it work? Chill. That's
Marshmallows.
Does it work?
Hey!
Is that more cracked or no?
Actually, no, it's the same.
It's the same? Dude,
Marshmallows work to get your phone ready.
rarely $3 can survive this. You guys ready? Look. All of that. Both of our phones actually survived, which we are both very surprised about that.
I'm really happy. I didn't want to
You know
go
what
buy
I
another
mean?
phone.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Hey,
Woo!
so if you have $3 and you want to drop your phone like 100 feet or more,
We don't recommend you to do it, but if you want to, go ahead.
but
It's
if
your
you
decision.
want to,
It's your decision.
and we showed y'all you can make it survive for only $3 using just a little bit of intellect, not really much.
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, make sure you subscribe right now, hit that like button, and
Turn on post notifications.
and yeah, come back every week and just keep coming back, keep supporting us. Thank you guys for all the support you've been giving us. You guys
Love
are
y'all.
awesome. Peace.
See you next time.